Good morning, my Colorado friends. Randy Flood here. Today is Wednesday, July the 7th, and the rates go up category. The Dow Jones is up. Yesterday, it actually broke a 7-day losing streak. And in the rates go down category, there's really nothing to report. And as I mentioned yesterday, it's going to be a very quiet week. And the bad part about it is when the trading is light, it also distorts what's going on in the markets. At the present in the market, there's really no change from the start of the day. If you can see my peers, the other top producers, they're all saying 100% float, and I agree with them wholeheartedly. Now, let me zoom over here right quick. Yesterday we had a rally. There wasn't really anything really to report that caused it, and we should have really had this rally last week when we had all the negative news. However, the important thing is, we do have this rally, and even today we opened up at new highs. And as I keep on talking about the trend line and the 10-day moving average, uh, we're far above it. We're a gap up. And right now we have a good level of support at 101 and a quarter, which is good. And long term, I am very, very bullish. Excuse me. This is how the market opened up today. But let me go and show you yesterday. Uh, as you can see, yesterday we started out, just neutral, and then for unknown reasons we basically shot up because once again there's really nothing to really cause this increase in bond prices, although a lot of the traders are actually gone right now, uh, taking a long week. And as far as the lenders, you can see today 76 of them have improved their pricings by almost a quarter percent. And speaking of that, rates are now in the low fours. And, this, I've been in the business for a long, long time. And, we are getting the greatest rates right now. In summary, the trading is still very light and will be the rest of the week, and there's very little news to actually be reported as far as news events. Yesterday's rally, as I mentioned, was a big surprise. We should have had it last week when we had all the negative economic news, and we didn't get that rally last week, but we're getting it now, and I'll take it any time that we can. And as I mentioned, when the trading is really light, it exaggerates what the market is doing. And the market is now waiting for the Fed's auction announcements on the 5, 7, and 10-year bonds. And the European Central Bank meets today. Really not expecting any changes that will affect us. And once again, no U.S. news and no reasons for the market to really do anything. I'm still very, very bullish on the mid and long term. Now, the thought of the day: if you run the machine at max capacity for too long, it breaks and will need repair. You need to give it scheduled maintenance. And I think this applies right now. I know a lot of people were working extremely hard, making sure that they were able to get as many people in so they could take advantage of the $8,000 tax credit. Rates being extremely low, deflated values, great home affordability. I know you're working hard, but I must emphasize, you need to take a break. And I also think that I think it was Abraham Lincoln also once said too that take time to sharpen your saw. And if you spend time sharpening your saw or your skills and being able to also reflect on what's going on, you're going to be much more productive and you'll get a lot more done. So, and I'm very guilty of it. I work basically 24/7, and so I need to take this on my own advice also. So, go on, take care of yourself, and as always, wanting only the best for you.